Insights, and today, my dear friends, I will share some part of the course that I'm preparing. It is a course about crude oil washing, and the most important thing also is to tell that it is accumulative knowledge about of 3 years. So for 3 years I have developed the knowledge, I have accumulated the knowledge, I have refined that knowledge, and also here in this course it will be the most combined knowledge of the industry, my expertise, in order to avoid a huge, let's say, troubleshooting, unnecessary problems with the cargo of the crude oil washing operation itself, both financially, safety wise, and also looking for the knowledge development as well. You will able to build the skills that is required also for the future. Because one thing that I have also noticed, I have started, let's say, from crude oil, and this is the fossil fuel oils. Many people say, okay, yes, we have done with that. Yes, we have reduction. Yes, we have passed the, let's say, key critical point, and now we're lowering down slowly and reduce the consumption as well. But through that process and understanding, I came to one great conclusion, that crude oil will not disappear soon, or let's say in the short term. So basically, what happens when the crude oil price goes down? Nobody really cares. Okay, it's just a product, it's just crude, it's a dirty product, it creates a lot of problems and all that things, okay? But when the prices go above to 100 and 110, then everyone starts to realize its value. And its value, it's not only on the price, it's also the value that it brings from its products. And here it's let's say some small and tiny things to showcase how many things we are get from the crude oil. First of all, okay, its gases is methane, pentane, hexane, the naphtha, light and heavy naphtha for gasoline, kerosene for jet fuel, diesel and gas production, vacuum and gas, VGO for cracking, and residuum for heavy fuel oil or asphalt. So basically, still our industries is heavily related to crude oil. And the important thing that you have to know, it will change. Yes, it will change. It will take time. It will take a lot of years, let's say decades, in order the countries and the economies to adopt to new realization. For sure, we need to rush faster in order to prevent also the global warming as well. But what we can do, and it's on our hands, is that share the knowledge of proper handling of the product itself. So I have seen also, and it's also shown in the course, it's historically as well, how everything is developed. It shows also how much effort and time it takes. And when we know all these, let's say, details, then we have another way of understanding how the things are progressing, why it is progressing so much, and for which reason. And in this course you will learn that for sure. Another thing also, yes, it shows here the products, how many products, some of them they will be replaced, let's say, in percentage with the biofuels as well. So everything has to be in balance, all that productions, and great economies and great setups is the one that know how to handle all these products, how to create new products, how to create sustainable products as well, and how thus that all the things embed to the economy in order the economy serves the communities. So this is basically the model. At the moment, many countries does not do that because basically they are driven by, let's say, investors, huge money on that, and basically they are making a lot of mistakes. When you are only money driven and you have the only purpose these things, you see, okay, there's drop downs, there is losses, then you lose the main point of the development. And basically the investors, it's really difficult to handle them. They get frustrated, they get so much, let's say, emotional, and basically they can sell the shares, let's say, or whatever. But the crude oil, it will come back. It will come back, and for those who are well prepared, it will get additional value. And that's why it's very important, as I always say, and I describe here also in the course, that the way you transport your product, and in this case it is crude oil, it's one of the most difficult products to transport, in my opinion, because it has everything. It's not a similar product, it's not a clean product. It has a multiple composition, a very difficult composition, and this composition also varies from the regions as well, which we also describe in the course as well. So when you have this knowledge, you for sure you position yourself much further in the future. Without this knowledge, you are not able predict the things, you are not able also understand the future products, you will not able also position yourself better in the market. So that's why I have understand that the knowledge and the proper training of the people that are dealing with the product is the key for the financial success at the end. Because yes, the demand of the financial success from the beginning, fast and let's say volume wise, it is great, but it not achieved like that. First you have to build the knowledge, the skills, the way of understanding, and then the financial will come by itself. It will come by itself with the great contracts, with understanding of the market. Then you have a great product to share and to transport as well. You can transport also nevertheless without the knowledge as well, but then you have less revenue, and this is the point. You have less revenue. You do not take each and every barrel for accountable. And basically it is, I have made a post, it's about 360 million barrels per year lost, okay? And for sure I will, after this course, this is a crude oil washing course, I will make another course, I will make a training course about the loss control, which also I have built a substantial knowledge on that, working one of the biggest oil majors on the globe as well, working with different people and discharging about 30 to 25 vessels per month. So you understand that when you discharge a huge amount of the vessels for the time frame of 2.5 years, you have built a substantial knowledge that most, let's say, of the people on board the vessel does not build it in their entire career, transferring all the products and all the crudes from all the entire the world. So I think this video will be helpful also to get you engaged on the upcoming course. It will be records prepared, refined, and then distributed to a platform where you will able to purchase it and I believe every penny of this course it costs, really it gives all the money for sure that I have also input on the development as well, all my time, all my knowledge. It covers it, everything. So see you in the next video. I will share more details lately how to get that, because also I'm still working on the refinement as well of the finishing of the course. So you can see that it takes a lot of time and effort and a lot of years of development, understanding the knowledge, and combine it in one specific product which will boost your understanding. Thank you, and for sure I will keep you posted. I will keep you with all the details that's required, and stay tuned to MOC Insight for more insights and more interesting training material. Bye bye.